So welcome all of you. So this video is for collecting the investors who can invest in our very prestigious venture. Okay. So I am going to explain this plan in detail. Definitely this video will be a bit lengthier. So have patience, listen to the complete video with utmost care, because I want you also to be in this greatest mission which we have taken. Okay. So why a new institute? Why we are starting a new institute, that I will explain. Okay. So for class 11th and class 12th students, that is for intermediate students, if you directly start teaching advanced syllabus in 11th and 12th classes or need syllabus in 11th and 12th classes, then the percentage of selection of those students is less than 1%. Okay. Percentage of selection is very, very less than 1%. The reason is that syllabus is very huge, and who is suitable for that huge amount of syllabus? So only a gifted student, a person who is born very intelligent, or a person who is very enthusiastic and who is inclined towards education, or who is interested for reading for 7 to 8 hours daily, only these people have a chance of selection. So other students, they cannot have any kind of selection. So in our experience, we have understood that instead of training the children in 11th and 12th classes, you take the children right from 6th class, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th and 10th classes. So by the time they complete this 4-5 years, if we can induce very small amounts of advanced syllabus into their brains, so that by the time they complete their 10th class, they will have a very good idea of what is the total syllabus present, what are the total applications present, and when they enter into 11th and 12th classes, syllabus will be already completed, and only for they have to practice only for speed and accuracy. Okay, speed and accuracy are very important, because for each question you will have a time of only 1 minute or 1.5 minutes only. So speed and accuracy are very important. For that speed and accuracy, they can practice daily 2 question papers or 3 question papers, practice papers daily, and whenever they have a doubt, again we will be available. It means for 11th and 12th also, these students will be with us only. Okay, so in this manner of preparation, the percentage of selection, it will go from 95 to 100%. We cannot say that 100% of the student will be selected, but a student will get a selection more than his caliber, that we can say. For example, if a person is such that he is able to get a selection in NITs, then with this kind of preparation, these students can even get selected into IITs also. So, and are there any such institutes in India? There are no such institutes, because there are many big institutes who give very good foundation, but the amount of syllabus which they teach from 6th class to 10th class is only 20%. So more than 20% they cannot teach. First problem is, for that salary range, advanced teachers are basically very less, and for that salary range, teachers cannot teach. Okay, and to induce advanced syllabus very clearly into the brains of the child is a very big challenge. It needs a huge amount of patience, a strong will, and a dedication to do that particular work. And you know that this modern type of education, this will never allow the teachers to do such kind of experiments. Okay, so this is the reason, this is one of the reason why we are trying to open this institute. So literally we are going to open a school which has a recognition, and along with their academic subjects, we want to have a more concentration on these subjects of IIT advanced and NEET level syllabuses. Clear? And the second reason is that education defines a country. Education defines a country. So how good a country is prosperous, and what is the happiness index of the people? So this is decided only by education, or education system which is present in the country. Clear? Then who decides this education? Student defines this education. If a good student is present, then education also will be very good. Okay, then who decides this type of student? Education system defines this type of student. Okay, now what is our education method? Okay, so this education method is only concentrated on earning money, not more than that. Okay, so if a student enters into education system, and when he comes out of this education system, student should be sensible. He should have a sensitive heart. Okay, so he should be in the righteous path. He should be able to help others, and more importantly, he should be truthful. He should be truthful to the society, to his parents, to his family, and more importantly, he should be truthful to himself. So this is very important. Okay, so which is not happening. As Mahatma Gandhi said that, so education is the manifestation of character already present in a man. Okay, so it is the manifestation of education which is already existing. So every person has a character. So education will manifest that character. But is it happening with this type of modern education? So this is not at all happening. So a student coming out of education system is mere what you call a machine which can run only pre-installed programs. Okay, so this type of education is going to destroy the country. Okay, maybe this type of education may be useful for earning money. Okay, but money is not a future, no. So happiness index, satisfaction levels, so how righteous they are leading their life, this is what is the purpose of education, and that is 100% it is not served. So this is second reason why we want to start an institute. And one more reason, that is our personal reason, but we are bound to say in this video. Another reason is the negligence which is shown towards the teachers. Okay, so if you have teachers are watching this video, then you know better. Okay, so what it takes to become a teacher in private organizations, it already you should have suffered this one. Okay, so if we can do anything to uplift the image of the teacher, okay, because if a teacher teaches with his heart, then only a student can be successful in his life. And success, I don't define success with the help of mere earning money or property. Success is a different term. Okay, success I can define as the term a person will be successful when he is able to help others, when he is able to lead to the betterment of the society. That is called a successful person. Otherwise, what is the meaning of success here? There is no meaning of success if you are concentrated in earning money itself. Okay, so therefore this is another reason why we want to start this institute. Okay, so the next question is that what is the total investment? So to get a permission to construct a building and to maintain other charges, such as we need a receptionist, okay, we need a computer operator, and all for such a small answer to construct a capacity of a 10-room building, we require at least an investment of 35 to 40 lakhs. Okay, so already there are some investors. I have made a video in Telugu, so I got a very good response from the investors. So some of my relatives, they are investing around 10 lakhs, and some of the teachers and lecturers, they have called me and they are ready to invest each lakh each of them, and nearly up to now there is an investment of around 18 to 20 lakhs. So I require further same amount I require. So this will be the total investment. And investors, why so many investors? So I don't want what you call investors to be concentrated, or total investment to be present in the hands of only one person. Because when every person becomes an investor, then our ideology with which we are opening this institute, this will go very fast into the public. So I want everybody to become an investor. So the minimum amount which we are setting is minimum 5,000. So there is no capping for higher limit. Lower limit is only 5,000. Even if you give an amount of 5,000, you will be considered as an investor. Okay. So this is the reason why we are going for many investors, as many investors as possible. Profit distribution. Okay, profit distribution is very simple. So whatever may be the money, right, we get from the first year onwards. First year onwards, that money will be divided into 50% and 50%. 50% will go to the management, and the remaining 50% it will be distributed among the sleeping partners. Every investor is a sleeping partner. So for all those sleeping partners, according to their percentage of investment, the distribution of income will be present. For example, we got 130 or 140 students from the first year. So consider our total investment is 40 lakhs, and let us consider our each fees of each student is 40,000. Then 20-30 people's collection, 20-30 students collection will be going for other expenses like electricity bill, what you call salaries of small teachers. And for remaining 100 students, 100 into 40 will be nearly 40 lakhs of first year return will be generated if 120 and 130 students are joined. So this 40 lakhs, it will be divided into 20 lakhs and 20 lakhs. 20 lakhs for all the core team and management which is working in the institute. And remaining 20 lakhs, it will be given to the investors according to their percentage. Okay, ma? If total investment, if it is 40 lakhs and income generated is 20 lakhs, what is the meaning of this one? A person who is investing 1 rupee, he is getting half rupee right from the first year. Okay. So therefore, for example, if a person has invested only 5,000, then he will get 2,500 right from the first year. And this is not going to stop. So as the strength increases, strength goes to 200, 300, 400 and 1,000. So his income also continuously doubles. And this in 50% scheme, we will be giving throughout the year, throughout lifetime income it will be. And when we open future branches, these branches we are going to spread them throughout India, because same ideology we want to spread everywhere. So when branches are spread like this, then also we will give chance for those investors who have invested previously, so they can invest in those branches also and they can generate income. So every branch will be this kind of public partnership, what you call venture only. So everywhere we will encourage 50% of what you call investment from the public itself. Okay. So profit distribution is completed. Next, right of investors. Investors will not have any kind of rights. So they cannot take any kind of decisions. So total decision will be taken by the management who is dealing the institute. Okay. And when there is any problem created among their money, they can check all the what you call financial matters, they can check all the bills. So that the right they have, they can do that thing. Secret of success. So why we think that this kind of institutes will be successful, so that I want to explain to you. So if you take general schools, highly paid teachers, they cannot place there. Clear? Because an advanced level teacher, he will expect a salary of nearly 2 lakhs to 2.5 lakhs, which is unbearable for a school level. So we, the team of what you call advanced level, so we are going to start this institute right from 6th class onwards. So therefore, that will become the main secret of success for this institute. And also we are not inclined towards money, we are inclined towards a better nation. And also we are trying to go with so many investors. So these investors will help us to spread the ideology, and the number of admissions also increases with this kind of ideology. So this is our secret of success. So investment in future projects, already I have said no. So whoever has invested now, so they will be given chance to invest in the future projects also. Okay. So loss management. So right from the first year onwards, we will be getting returns. So minimum you will get the amount which you have invested in the worst case. Okay. So definitely you will get, I don't think there will be any loss in this program, because program is, we are planning with a huge amount of planning, and this is our planning from the last 15 years. So I don't think it will be unsuccessful. Definitely it will be successful. So friend suggestion, so suggest this program to as many friends as possible, because instead of huge investors, we are interested in investors who can invest only 20,000, 30,000, these kind of investors. That is, we want huge number of investors, so that ideology can go into the public and our institute will become successful. How to trust? So we were having huge amount of salaries in the previous times. So to make this institute to be possible, we have left our jobs, and we were also paid very highly paid jobs we were doing, nearly around 1.5 lakhs per month. So I am not asking a very huge amount. I want just an investment of 35 to 40 lakhs only. So which I can very easily earn within a time of 1.5 to 2 years. So here doing fraud, or connecting money from all the people and jumping, this kind of concept is not present. So we are doing this program for the betterment of a nation. Okay, hostel facilities. So definitely we have to provide hostel facilities, because if this kind of program is running, then this kind of institutes will attract students from all over the nation. So definitely we have to provide hostel facilities for the children. And if our budget permits us, then we have to run bus facilities also, that is transport facilities also, and bond agreements. So even if a person gives minimum amount, which is 5,000 rupees, then for that person also a bonded agreement will be given that this person has invested this much amount of money, and every year what is his percentage of income, that will be given with him without any dispute. Okay, so this is the project which I want to say to you. So many of the points definitely I should have forgot. You can call me on phone. So this is my phone number, WhatsApp number and Telegram number, 8500070046. Okay. So instead of sending me in WhatsApp, you better download this application which is called a Telegram. So the advantage of Telegram is that even if you remove the application also, then when you again install that one, all the messages which you have sent previously, they will be already present in this Telegram. And the number of people who can join this Telegram also, I think more than 2 lakhs people can join. So Telegram is a very good application. Download this one, and I have all the information relating to this project, all the what you call progress which is happening in this project, I will send in this channel. Clear? So this is my Telegram channel, Excellence IIT JEE Medical Academy. So already some of the investors have joined in this channel. So remaining people also, you try to join in this channel. And within 1 month, you should give a clarity to me of how much you are able to invest. Okay. And investment also, you don't go for loans, you don't go for the money which will overburden you. So whatever spare money you have, so you try to spend that money, because interest I am not going to give for any kind of money. Interest I will not give. So to construct a building, to take a recognition, and for students to join, it will take a time of 1 year. Okay. So in that, after only income is generated, from that only we can start giving the returns to the investors. Okay. So don't expect any kind of interest here. So you invest only that money which you are having spare money only, you please try to invest. Okay. So you should have heard about Vinoba Bhave, who is a great man. So who went to the wealthy farmers and collected their thousands of acres of land which we were having, and he distributed that money to the poor farmers who doesn't have even 1 cent of land. Clear? So he asked the farmers and the landlords to consider him as his 5th child. So if a farmer has a 4th child, he asked the farmers to consider himself as the 5th child. So for me also, you consider me as your brother and try to do this investment, because we are not targeted towards earning money itself. Definitely we are having interest of generating money also, but that is not only the sole purpose of creating this institute. The sole purpose is that education should be at its peak, and that is possible only with better managements and better teachers. Okay. So teachers who can teach with their heart, only if we can produce that type of institutes, future of a nation depends only on that one. So suggest this one to as many friends as possible. So let them come with their spare money and let us invest in this one. And this investment is not going to be wasted. So I promise you that you will get a huge amount of returns also, inshallah. Okay. Thank you.